Only thing that I want to say to the commander is, John 15 stated, without God, we can do nothing. And with God, you can only be successful. And I want to say to you, please don't forget God. With God on your side, you can conquer everything. Okay. Whereas the appointment of Officer Commanding Army Support Base Mpumalanga is entrusted to you with effect from 1st of November 2015, I, Colonel Aaron James Hendricks, hereby hand over this appointment to you, with the trust that you will fulfill your duties with loyalty, courage, dignity, and honor.
Whereas the appointment of Officer Commanding Army Support Base Mpumalanga has been entrusted to me, set a good example to those who serve under me. I hereby formally accept the appointment of Officer Commanding of Army Support Base Mpumalanga.
Colonel Muyazi, Officer Commanding Regiment Bota. Lieutenant Colonel van Staden, Acting Officer Commanding Joint Tactical Headquarters Mpumalanga. Chaplain Konyani, ASB Mpumalanga Chaplain. All senior officers, all officers, Master Warrant Officer de Blanche, all other Master Warrant Officers present. It is a great honor for me to welcome each and every one of you at this prestigious event. I sincerely appreciate your presence here today. Gideon of the Old Testament had an assault group of 300 men that conquered the Philistines. I'm sure most of us know the story very well. In medieval times, Spartacus had an elite group of 300 warriors that kept a big army busy. I'm sure that most of you enjoyed the movie. ASB Mpumalanga also numbered in the vicinity of 300. The handing over of the Symbol of Command, as you have witnessed it today, is one of the most sacred military traditions. To my unit, I want to say the road ahead of us will challenge us in many ways. We will retain our focus and our well-respected positive posture. As a soldier, I have full trust and belief in our Heavenly Father. I have full trust and belief in each and every member of my unit. I will earn your trust